Hello, here's an AFN News Update for you. It is Tuesday, December 9th. I'm Bronson Woodruff. The U.S. Supreme Court declined to hear an appeal on a Texas free speech case on Monday. The case allowed local officials to remove books deemed objectionable from public libraries. The case stemmed from a 2022 lawsuit by a group of residents in rural Llano County over the removal of more than a dozen books dealing with sex, race, and gender themes from the public library. Although a lower federal appeals court had ruled that removing the books did not violate constitutional free speech protections. President Trump will road test his claims that he's tackling Americans' affordability woes at a rally today in Mount Pocono, Pennsylvania. The trip comes as polling consistently shows that public trust in his economic leadership has declined. In recent days, the White House has sought to convince voters that the economy will emerge stronger next year and that any anxieties over inflation have nothing to do with Trump. Trump said at the White House on Monday, "You can call it affordability or anything you want, but the Democrats caused the affordability problem, and we're the ones that are fixing it." Democratic Rep. Jasmine Crockett launched a campaign on Monday for the U.S. Senate in Texas. This brings a national profile to a race that may be critical to Democrats' long-shot hopes of reclaiming a Senate majority in next year's midterm elections. Crockett is one of Congress's most outspoken Democrats and a frequent target of GOP attacks. She's seeking the Senate seat held by Republican John Cornyn, who is running for re-election in the GOP-dominated state. And that's a wrap on this brief AFN News Update. More info from these topics and other news from a Christian perspective can be found at afn.net. Thank you for watching American Family News. Hope you have a great and blessed rest of your day. I'm Bronson Woodruff.